Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I have got for you a humongous B&M haul. Blimey, I might even have to split this into two. Let's see how we go. So I've not been into B&M for absolutely ages, and I did need a few bits food wise, so classed as essentials. So I thought I'm going to go in. We've got a massive store. I thought I'm going to have, whilst I'm there, I'm going to have a proper look round, not browsing, but a good look round and pick up quite a few bits so I don't have to go in again in the near future. So I've got in here a whole mixture of stuff. I've got food, I might have some cleaning stuff, I've got some gifts, that sort of thing. So one of the main reasons I went in was it's my dad's birthday, and I was after some liqueur chocolates for him. Mum said he might like some liqueur chocolates. If you're watching, Dad, a belated... No, it's not belated because it'll have been your birthday already. So I'm going to put this up after so you don't know what I've got you. So, happy birthday. Hope you had a lovely day. So I went in to get these liqueur chocolates. Can I find any anywhere? No, I flipping well can't. There must be a Christmas thing. But I thought if anywhere would have them, it'd be B&M. But no, they didn't. So, unfortunately, Dad, you ended up with these. So I hope these were okay for you. So these are from Thornton's and they're called Moments, and these look absolutely delightful. I think I might have had some of these, or at least tried one previously. I may have bought him some of these before actually, I don't know. So you've got honeycomb, caramel, fudge, orange, strawberry and double chocolate. That looks rather delicious. Yeah, you can't beat Thornton's chocolates, can you? And I thought because I'm sending it in the post, in a box, thought that's quite a decent size. It is quite heavy, but I thought that will fit in the box nicely. $2.99. Right, I think I'm just going to have to pick stuff out and just do it very random because there's just loads in here. So within the box as well, I'm going to pop in a few bits for my little nephew. So I'm going to put in Dad's birthday present, Mum's Mother's Day gift, which some are in here, and then some bits for Dre, my little nephew. This I'm going to actually not send him yet because it's for when he's a little bit older. But I do, when I see things, I'm buying stuff for when he gets older. One, if I see something that's a good bargain, might as well get it now. And two, it's going to spread the cost out a bit, isn't it? So as he gets older, I'll already have bought stuff. Yeah, that's the plan anyway. So this was £2. It should have been... It doesn't... Oh, $5.99. That's not bad, is it? Peppa Pig. I won't leave it till he's too old because I think Peppa Pig's quite a young thing. But it's a sticker book and it's a really good one. So you've got all these like little scenes and then you get the stickers to pop in them. But they're quite nice big stickers. So for little kids with their little fingers, not too intricate. Look at those little birds. I love them. Yeah, so I may keep that for me for when he comes to visit, hopefully once lockdown has been lifted. These are also for Dre. He's quite partial to these, Mum said. These are just when you need to do something quick. They are pasta and sauce. I actually quite like these with a salad. But it's just dried pasta that you add water to and then it's got flavouring with it. So you've got a roast chicken and bacon. I've never had that one before. Never seen that one in the shop. So I wonder how many calories that one is. The whole pack is 422. So yeah, that's quite a nice meal, isn't it, with a bit of salad. But yeah, that sounds nice. Roast chicken and bacon. So I've got two of those, because I think he's quite partial to meaty flavoured ones. And then he loves this one, chicken and mushroom. These were only 50p each. Now, I saw some of these in the Co-op yesterday. $1.99 for one. So 50p is definitely the cheapest I've ever seen them anywhere. Got these for me. Rather partial to these. Jammy Dodgers. So these are just little mini Jammy Dodgers. So each pack you have... So you get 6 packs, 4 Dodgers per pack, 88 calories for the 4 biscuits. I'm not going to get them out, I'll just show you what they're like. So they're just tiny little biscuits, get 4 in there. They're really nice actually. Sometimes, I don't necessarily have them for breakfast, but sometimes when I train in the morning, I'm a bit peckish. So I might just have one out of the packet. So they were only 99p. Lovely. Oh, if you've not tried these before, you need to. My friend Amanda at work introduced me to this flavour. So the Fibre One bars I like anyway. I love the lemon drizzle and the chocolate one. Chocolate one's really nice, put in the microwave with a bit of squirty cream on the top. But these she introduced me to the other year, and I think they were like a limited edition. They're called birthday cake. I don't know what it is about them, but they taste absolutely magnificent. They're very sweet. 90 calories for one. They're only little. I mean, that's why they're so low in calorie, because they're not very big. But this one, I would say out of all of them, is just enough on its own. You don't then think, oh, I wish it was bigger or I need another one, because it's so sweet. I can't remember for the life of me what it reminds me of, but they do remind me of something. If I think about it when I'm editing, I'll pop it in below. But yeah, if you've not tried this one, and because you don't see them very often in the shops, get some and give them a go. Very nice recommendation. So £1.25 for those. Not seen these before. I did have a packet of mini eggs, but I've eaten those. So these are another packet that I bought for 99 pence. The mini eggs actually were 89p, so that's cheaper than anywhere I've seen it. These were 99p. The Terry's chocolate orange mini eggs. I'm going to get one out to have a look at it. So there they are. Just a little orange egg. Oh! C'est magnifique. They're a bit like an orange Smartie. Is that what the orange Smarties are? Oh yeah, they're really nice. Got Dad some of these nougat bars. These were, I think they were 39p each, or you got 5 for £1. So I went 5 for £1. Dad's only going to get 4 because I've just eaten one. Sorry. We get through quite a lot of this in our house, not this brand especially, but you know, like lazy garlic or tubes of garlic. Alan started doing a lot more cooking recently, and cutting up garlic stinks. You have to get fresh garlic, doesn't last that long. So the tubes of these, I find them as nice as fresh garlic, and they're just so much more convenient. This was only 39p. This is the cheapest one I've ever seen. Yeah, it's just a rich, creamy garlic paste. Great for any recipe. But it's not very big. That's probably why it was only 39p. But if you just want a little one as an emergency in the cupboard, great stuff. So I've finally given in and bought something from the Skinny range. I really would have liked the Skinny chocolate syrup to go on a bit of ice cream, but they didn't have any. But this sounded nice. It's the Skinny sauce, and it's the Southwest tomato flavour sauce with sweetener. That doesn't sound too great, but I love, I have a lot of salad, but I use salad cream quite a lot, but I do like dressings. So I thought I might try this one. Let's have a look how many calories it is. Per 10 millilitre serving. 2 calories? Flipping heck. For 100 millilitres, 15 calories. Blimey, that's good, isn't it? So this is good for dipping, dressing, cooking, marinating and basting. It's not cheap, $1.99, but then that's how much salad cream is, if not a bit more. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to giving that one a go. Picked up 2 of these. We love the Azera coffee. I only have probably one a day, but Alan drinks a lot of coffee. And probably about 18 months ago, we switched over to decaf. And I have to say, I suppose because I'm not really a big coffee drinker, I don't notice the difference. I've not been, and I don't think Alan's the same, we've never been getting that caffeine fix, that caffeine hit that everybody talks about. I get a bit of a headache, if that's the hit. And I know a lot of people love the feeling that coffee gives them, but because we don't get it, and because Alan was drinking so much coffee, when he went caffeine free, he sleeps so much better now. Yeah, it was remarkable, the difference, because he was drinking coffee quite late at night, and he was drinking a lot of Pepsi Max as well, when we just didn't realise how much caffeine he was consuming a day. So he's hit the Pepsi Max on the head, and he's gone over to this. And he said to start with, he got, in the first week, a couple of headaches, nothing major, and that was it. And now, never look back. But yeah, I don't notice the difference. But this is pretty pricey in the supermarket. It's in the Co-op, it's £6.50 now. So I always wait until I see it on offer which is always Tesco do, and then a lot of the other shops sell this. So this was $2.99. If you've never tried it, obviously if you want the caffeine one, go ahead. But it's really nice. It's only instant, but it just tastes a lot nicer than most instants. It's a really nice coffee. And to go in the coffees, this is just an emergency stash of milk I'm going to take to work. We're always running out of milk at work. Yeah, so they have them in coffee creamers. And then this is just, I think this is skimmed milk. It's just little things like you get in a hotel, but they're only 39p, and I thought they were very handy to have in the drawer at work. 79 pence, bit of Parmesan cheese. For £1.89, a box of OXO cubes, and you get in there 18. Got these to send to mum and dad, just to give them some ideas for some food. They do love chicken. I'm not sure if they've ever tried these before. So these are from the Maggie range. I've heard of this type. So this is where you get a bag and you put the chicken in it with all the flavourings. So this one is, so it's called a seasoning and cooking bag for juicy chicken. So this one is sweet chilli, and I think they're quite partial to a sweet chilli. Ginger, garlic and chilli. Actually, my dad might not be too keen on that, but they can give it a go. And then this one here, I've not seen these before. These are seasoned cooking papers rather than the bag. So I thought these were pretty handy. So what you do is you actually just put your chicken breast in it and then put the paper around it, and you get some flavours from it. So you've got tomato, basil and oregano. So Dad will like that a bit better. So yeah, just Italian herbs. And of course, I suppose you could put a few of the bits in if you wanted to. These are only 50p each. For 99 pence, I got this. So it's the Betty Crocker Gooey Chocolate Chip Cookie Mix. I'm going to send this to Mum so she can make these with my nephew Dre. These sound absolutely delicious. All you have to do, because during lockdown, obviously not going out to the shops as often, all you have to do to this is add a butter and water. And I think it makes 8, it does. Preparation 10 minutes, baking time 10 to 12 minutes. And then what I bought on another haul you may have seen, on a Home Bargains haul, I bought these little sugar eyeballs that you can just put on the top. So I thought they might be able to stick the eyeballs on the top of those cookies just to make them a bit more fun. These are very nice. I got these the last time I went into B&M, and Alan uses them quite a bit in his cooking, as do I, and they're quite nice to stick on the top of pizzas. So what they are, they're crispy onions, just little pieces of onion. They're only 99p for this tub. Oh, they do bacon ones as well. Bacon crumbles. Yeah, so you can put these, it's saying here, perfectly sprinkled on salads and jacket potatoes, or try adding to gravy or mash. That's nice, isn't it? So yeah, just little crispy onions. Got a packet of these, Pledge. On another haul recently, I've said that we do have cleaners come in, but during lockdown, we're not letting them to come into the house. They are still working, but we've said not to come in, which I feel a bit mean about, but yeah, you know. So I've started doing a bit of cleaning myself. I mean, I do some in between, but I don't do the whole house because I work full time. I've said I'm going to fork out and have somebody come in every 2 weeks because we've got a dog, you know, and we have got quite a big house, and it takes ages. So I've been buying stuff to sort of speed along any sort of cleaning that I'm doing. So these are, now I know some of you won't like this, disposable cloths. So they're dry dusting cloths. Citrus. Let's have a smell. Let's get one out. Ooh. Right, so very nice. So it's just a dusting, so it's just a cloth. Do a bit of wiping and throw it away at some point. You know, you don't just wipe one surface and throw it, but yeah. Great for removing dust and all the allergens in it. So, for furniture, oh, you can put them on, you know, like those Zwiffer things for the floor. Not sure why you do a dry one. I said, oh, I was supposed to get up hair and dust and bits. Yeah, so, yeah, they were £2. Not sure about those. So that's it, that monster haul done. £66.88. Yeah, got quite a lot of good stuff in there, I think. Pleased with the bits I got from Mum and Dad, and bits for Dre as well, and then also some nice foodie bits for Alan and I. So, yeah, we're done. If you're not already subscribed, maybe you might consider subscribing to the channel now. I do a lot of hauls on here. I've done quite a few recently. I tend to, because of lockdown, I'm not going in the shops very often, so I tend to do a big shop when I go, so it means I can do a big haul. Please do give me a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed this one, and leave me any comments below, and I'll always write back to you. Let me know if there's anything in there you like the look of, or any recommendations from B&M that I might want to pick up in the future. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.